All right, so I'm gonna show you a second way to get to the workshop notes. You can always hit this guide.md, but I also want to show you how to do it through your coding space. So I'm assuming everyone has their coding space and that they're logged into their coding space and they are in this view where you can explore your files. I can go and show you how to create this, get to this view if anyone needs me to do that. Otherwise, I'll just jump in. So just send me on the chat if you don't know how to do this. EA sent a link on where you can go to create one. It's really dead easy to create one. You can just go to our homepage. Whoops, I typed it wrong, but you can just go to our homepage. And I'm logged in, so I'm going to log out here. But you should see something like this. Hit this nice big button here, get started. It's free. You sign up, you click this create account, and it will take you directly to this page on your own coding space. So I have a paid account with a custom domain, so that's why you see www.wizardcreator.com here. If you do sign up, you will get a random Qoom.space account, which is our free account. And the rules behind the free account are changing. But it will be available for you with no expiration date. However, we're going to be limiting the number of files that you can create on it. So in the future, you might see that if you reach that limit, you might be getting an error, but you won't see that error right now. All right, getting into the notes from here, you would go to this little thing called a hamburger menu. You would click it, click Qoom of the Week. If you're not seeing Qoom of the Week here, you can go to Settings, and you can click this button to participate. Right now it says Stop. I can click Stop, and then it would go away. So if you create an account, you will see it like this. I can click Participate, and then it will take me to this page where I can just go and submit my challenges, sign up for the live Q&A session, or sign up for the next workshop. So if the workshop has a blue text to it, you can click on it, and it will take you to the notes that I'm going to go through today. It's our syllabus, really, of the workshop. So I'm going to take a pause here and give you guys a chance to let me know if you're having any issues getting to these notes.